Hi guys, today we are on the trail again. There's a small lake down there. We're hoping to hike to a river about maybe 5 kilometers away, 4 or 5 kilometers, and set up a little a tarp shelter and cook up some lunch with my new stove that I just acquired. See how everything works out. So come along, hope you enjoy it. Let's go. So I believe the river is probably down this way. We gotta make our way somewhere down there. The trillium are coming out. See those yellow leaves, yellow flowers? Trillium. We just reached this big hill straight down.
Let's go.
We're here, guys. We reached the river. Beautiful place. So we're gonna find a place to set up a camp. So this place looks one of the better places, if any. I think we're gonna set up our little camp and little cooking show here. All right. I got myself a new stove, ultralight stove, and it's a copy of the Soto Windstar. It's actually it's a Campingmoon. As you can see, it's got a wide base. This thing's fold in, or you can fold them out for larger pots. And the flame comes from inside here, so it has a little windscreen all around. It's supposed to be really good for it to work in windy conditions. So today's the first day I'm going to test it. Oh yeah, for all you those guys that don't really know, there's a little O-ring inside, little gasket. Always make sure it's on the stove before you screw it onto the canister. Otherwise, your gas is gonna come out. You have a mess on your hands, and it will be unsafe when you light it up. You can get a flame coming out of the connection here. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention. There's a little igniter here. So turn on the gas, you hit here, and you don't need a lighter, but it's always a good idea to carry a lighter with you. It's a backup. So today, I'm just trying this out too. Never had this brand before. It's a common backpacker's meal. It's a Mexican style beef bowl with rice and beans, alpine air, or alpine air. Add 2 cups of boiling water to ingredients. 16 ounces. Again, let's light this up. Works good, first try. Now we seal it for about 10 minutes. The good thing about this kind of meals, you don't have to do any dishes. You know, just put it in there and then you fold up your bag and you take it with you, of course. You never leave garbage around. One other thing I like to bring along is one of those mosquito nets. This time of the year, so far it's good here. There's not too many mosquitoes or black flies, but here in Ontario it has a reputation, especially up north, where you have a lot of mosquitoes and you can't even move anywhere without them biting you. So a lot of people use this. I always bring it along, and of course your bug repellent, but even with the bug repellent, see, so you put it on, you look like someone from a Hollywood movie, Halloween movie. Hey guys, by the way, do you like my house? It's not what I had intended, but you know, it's my mansion, eh? It keep the rain away from me, but I have a tree in the way, so that's why it's looking funny like this, all weird. But anyway, it will do for now. I'm not sleeping here tonight anyway, just in case it rains. Alright, so let's see if this food is ready. I think it's pretty good, feels good. Lunchtime. I don't know if you can see that. There's Mexican rice and beans and Mexican style beef bowl. So let's see. It's more like a soup that I made here. Okay. Let's have it a try. Give it a hot. Not bad. This will do. Wouldn't it be funny if I fell back with eating my food? Yeah! Oh. Okay, so that's it. Picked up camp, everything packed up. Now on the way to hike back to the car. All right, here we go. I guess this is the end of our trip, and it was a very successful one. Had a lot of fun. Hope you liked it as much as I did. What I always say, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell down below, and yeah, so I'll be putting out more videos as I do trips. You know, maybe you can let me know in the comments what kind of things you want to see. So until next time, happy camping, hiking, whatever you do in the outdoors. Enjoy it, be safe, and see you next time. Bye. All right. Beautiful sunset. Yeah. So we finally reached the car. We ended with this. You couldn't ask for anything else. Bye again.